Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my this particular video, I am going to discuss one very important question with respect to linear regression point of view, and that is how outliers impact our linear regression model. Okay, so we all know what is outlier. Outlier is nothing but data point that diverge in a big way, highly different from the overall pattern or rest of the data set. Okay, rest of the data points present in our data set, right? And we have seen that many statistical measurement where mean related calculations are there, they are highly affected by outliers, so they need to be handled properly. Otherwise our model may get confusion and may become biased with respect to outliers, right? Now the question comes, what is the impact of outliers in linear regression? Okay, so that one I am going to show you first with visualization, then I will go further. Okay, so here is the code to implement linear regression using matrix method, that is least square approach I have written. But the beauty about this particular code is here we will give the data points using mouse click, so that we can easily generate the outliers according to our own requirement, right? So first of all, let us check one particular scenario by running the whole code. The code already I have discussed in my previous video, so I am not explaining that again. Control A, evaluate selection. Enter how many times you want to run the same code, that is what is the dataset size suppose I want. Okay, suppose I am giving 15 data points I want, so the particular figure window will open and it will give us opportunity to enter 15 different data point. Okay, right? So first thing which I am going to show you, suppose my uh, data points are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, but we need to enter 15 data point, so the 15th one I will put like outlier. Okay, so you can see each time we are putting data points, our code is trying to create the best fit linear regression line, and this is simple linear regression I am taking for the demonstration purpose. Same concept you can apply for multiple linear regression also. So 14 data points we have entered. Now the 15th one, see where I am putting here. Okay, now you tell me, very important, see carefully. This particular data set is the data points of our data set are basically making one cluster, and from the visual inspection itself we can clearly conclude that this data point is basically our outlier. Okay, right? Because it is highly different from rest of the data point, the rest of the cloud of our data set. Okay, now see, you have noticed, you have visualized that this particular point has affected very less amount or almost nothing in our actual model. Our model slope or intercept due to this particular outlier. Okay, so this is one kind of outlier present in regression model which never affects in our actual machine learning model, so it will not hamper that. I am going to show some other scenario also. Run this code, evaluate selection. Suppose I want to enter 15 data point, and here I am going. Okay, now suppose I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 data points we have entered. Now see, this data point almost have no pattern. Okay, actually almost we can say the linear regression line is almost kind of approximately one horizontal line, because there is no certain pattern, there are circular shape. We cannot fit linear regression model. Here linear regression is basically insignificant, which we can easily observe from the fitted line also. Now suppose I am putting one outlier here. See what happened. As soon as the outlier, our machine learning model is considering this outlier for training also, see, it is giving us one good fitted line, and from if you just inspect this particular line, you will think, okay, that means there is a good correlation, okay, relationship present in my data, in the training data. But actual the scenario is the data set has almost no correlation, okay, right, almost no relationship. This is kind of circular shape, so you might say x square plus y square equal to a square, okay, circle, noisy circle type pattern it is taking, okay. So with respect to linear relationship, it has no relationship with respect to linearity. That is, if you consider only linear relationship, then that kind of thing is not present in our data set. Due to this presence of outlier, what is happening, that our slope is changing by a huge amount, and it is appearing that our training data set has huge relationship, okay. So this type of outliers are very dangerous, okay, very dangerous, right. I can show you one more example. Control A, evaluate selection. Again, I am trying to give 15 data point, okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and here see, this time last data point I am putting here. See, perfectly linear regression is happening now up to this time. As soon as I put one point here, due to this outlier adjustment properly, see how much my actual linear regression is deviating, okay. So this outlier is also dangerous, right. So we have seen two types of outlier. One is dangerous to our model, one is not that much, okay. So how to conclude the impact of outlier? So outlier may affect, might not affect, okay. Both cases are present in linear regression. So outliers that fall horizontally away from the center of the cloud but don't influence the slope of the regression are called leverage outliers or leverage points, okay. So like this kind of scenario what I have told. See, this is our major cloud of our data set, okay. Majority of the data points are concentrated here. This particular point, see, horizontally if you consider, far away from the cloud part, this particular point is far away from the cloud part, but not that much influencing our regression, slope of the regression. So we will be considering this as leverage point, and this is not, we no need to bother that much about this particular outlier, okay. But the outliers actually influence the slope of the regression are called influential point because they influence our model, okay. Like here we have seen in this case, when we have considered noisy circular distribution, that time we have seen one single outlier almost showing there is a good linear relationship present in data set. Actually that is not present, right. So this is influential point. So this kind of outliers are very dangerous, okay. So suppose I am asking you this particular question, tell me what kind of outlier this is. I have shown you also, yes, this is influential, because you can understand that I have just shown you the visualization also. The linear regression line, apart from, if you don't consider this outlier, it should pass like this, but due to outlier it is passing like this, highly changing slope, okay. So this is influential point. Now the question comes, what should we do then? Should we consider outlier or should we simply remove outlier? The idea is here, as both kind of scenarios are present, that is outliers may impact and might not impact our linear regression model. So what you can do, you can apply certain transformations like square root transformations, log transformations, whatever I have discussed in my data pre-processing video, okay, to just suppress the outlier little bit so that the high difference with the rest of the data points become less, and that one will impact not that much in our model, okay. So you can apply the transformations, or if you want you can apply some other model which are not that much sensitive to outliers also, right. So I hope you have understood this. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.